Hello, Phonics fans, and welcome to the next episode of Phonics with Fiona. That's me! If there's one thing that I love, it is phonics. What is phonics, you ask? Basically, phonics is all of the letters of the alphabet and the sounds that they make. Like how the letter S says S, and M says mmm. Learning our letter sounds is super important. Without phonics, we can't read or write. And that's where I come in, your friend, Fiona Phonics. Today, we will be reviewing what we learned in our last lesson, the difference between vowels and consonants, and the letters A and I and their sounds. Then we will learn new letters this week, the letters S and T. Last lesson, we learned about vowels. Remember, vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. Say it with me. A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. Why are vowels important? Because you can't spell any words without them. Don't forget that consonants are the rest of the letters of the alphabet. Last lesson, we discussed the short A sound and the short I sound. Tap your shoulders if you remember what sound the short A makes. You've got it, it makes the ah sound. Here are some of the things that start with the short A sound: apple and alligator. And here are some other things that start with the short A: alarm, axe, ambulance, and ask. Wiggle in your seat if you remember what sound the short I says. Yep, it says I like in igloo, in, and iguana. Here are some other things that start with the short I sound: India, ill, ink, insect. Okay, phonics fans, let's head into the classroom for some new learning. Our new letters of the day are S and T. Let's start with the letter S. The letter S is a consonant and it makes the sound S. Here are some things that begin with the letter S: sad, snake, sun. One letter down, one more to go. Now let's move on to the letter T. The letter T is also a consonant and it makes the sound T. Here are some things that begin with the letter T: table, tiger, turtle. Great job, phonics fans! We've learned another letter. So now we know the vowels A and I and the consonants S and T. Now that we know 4 letters, did you know that you can use those letters to build some words? For example, if you put the letter A in front of T, then you have built a new word. Raise your hand if you know what this word says. I think we should sound it out together. Letter A says A, letter T says T. So the letters A and T make the word at. At. Now it's time to enter the game zone with Fiona Phonics. Okay, here's how it works. I will write down some of the letters that we have learned so far. Your job is to sound out each letter sound with me and then say the word out loud at the end. Simple enough? Let's do a couple together. The letters A and T say at. At. Do you know what the word is? It's at. Good job. Okay, let's do another one. The letters I and T say it. 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 Well done, everyone. Okay, I think you're ready to play the game. What if we put a S in front of it? S, it. Sit. Well done. Here we have the sounds at. Now put S at the beginning. S, at. Sat. Here's a new one. Is, is. This is a nonsense word, which means it's not a real word. Let's sound it out together. Is, tis. I am so proud of you, phonics friends. You worked so hard today. Let's talk about what we learned. We talked about A and I again, and we learned new letters, S and T. Yay, you did it! Let's celebrate!
Hey, you little whippersnappers, why are you making so much noise? Cut it out.
Mr. Grumpy, stop ruining all of our fun. Let's get rid of him! Well, phonics friends, that was a job well done. Thank you for joining me. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Phonics with Fiona. Let's learn together. See you next time!